Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Today's drawing was suggested by Willie in Taipei, Taiwan. Willie suggested that I draw a turtle. This drawing's for you, Willie. Here we go. First things first, let's draw some big turtle eyes. We'll draw one eye like this. Good job. And we'll draw the second eye just behind it like this. All right, nice work. Next, we're gonna draw our turtle nose, and we're gonna draw it so it swings down and around and becomes a turtle smile. Here we go. Ta-da! Easy peasy. One more line and we got ourselves a turtle chin, like this. Ta-da! Next, we'll draw the top of the head. And it becomes the top of the neck. And then we'll pull this up a little bit, and then we'll draw the bottom of the neck. Ta-da! Good job! Now we're going to do a little bit of a tricky part. We're going to draw the hole where the neck goes into the shell. So we start over here, and bring it up, and down, and stop. And then draw the necklines, whoop, whoop, a little bit further. And then take this and finish the circle. Now, let's shade that part in like this. Good job. Next, we're going to draw the bottom of our turtle shell. No problem here. We just go like this. Now let's just draw the shell. Ta-da! Next, let's draw the tail. Good job! You guys are doing great! Now, let's draw the turtle feet. No problem here. Go down, around, boom, and then pull it up. Ta-da! Just draw a circle right here. One circle. Then draw like a half circle next to it. And then a full circle right here. And that's a good looking turtle foot. Same thing. One circle. Half circle. One circle. Good job. Now let's draw the other foot back here. Same thing. Circle, circle, and we can't see the whole circle. There it is. Last one. Looking good. Now let's draw the lines of the shell. Just draw a line up. And it's going to curve a little bit like the shape of the shell. This one too. Good job. Bring it down. Oh, I can do one more. Now across. And make them curve up just a little bit. And there you go. I like to kind of go back over the outside to show if there were some little bumps on the shell. But you don't have to do this part if you don't want to. No big deal. And ta-da! You just drew an awesome turtle! Good job! And thanks for the suggestion, Willie! Also, there are lots of other quick draws you can go check out. I put the links below in the description. Now, let's color!